Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Photoshop. If you can use Photoshop very well, especially for male, your girlfriend will be very happy. So first we click filter and liquify, and you can see here we have many categories like eyes, nose, mouth, face shape. So we can use any one. We use mouth. You can see this girl is smile, upset, smile like that, and the face shape. It's this is for forehead, and chin have it, and this is face valleys. Also for the nose, this nose height. Do you see different? And this is nose valleys. So let's do it. It's very easy to use, right? This is eye size. Yeah, so this is my picture. So we can save now, file, and save as. So this is all I want to teach. Thank you.